As fall approaches and plant growth slows, it's the perfect time to consider what worked in this year's garden, what didn't, and what you want to do next year. Make note of the plants that flourished and what they had in common. If happy plants shared similar light or soil requirements, choosing more perennials with similar characteristics may help ensure future success. What challenges did your garden face? Did you cope with extreme weather, pests, diseases, or overcrowding? You can't change the weather, but you may be able to help your plants contend with it. For instance, if your area suffers from drought every summer, adding an irrigation system, more mulch, or favoring drought-tolerant plants may be helpful. Other issues such as soil conditions or damaging pests and diseases are easier to correct. Your local cooperative extension service, which you can find at the link below, can help you with strategies. To get a jump on next year, do some cleanup now. Get rid of downed limbs and other debris. Prune dead branches. Remove spent flower blooms, except for those such as coneflowers or black-eyed Susans that have seeds that feed birds over the winter. Once cleanup is done, note the dimensions of the empty spots, the light conditions, and the height, color, and bloom time of surrounding plants. That will help you determine the best choices for filling in the area. Our Plant Finder, which you'll find at the bottom of every one of our web pages and at the link below, is a great tool. Fall is an ideal time to divide and replant perennials, such as hostas daylilies and ornamental grasses. The link below on how to divide your plants gives you more tips on doing so. You may also want to move a few plants to a different location if you've decided the conditions might be more favorable elsewhere. Gardens perpetually change and evolve, so don't feel that your original plan is set in stone. Finally, if you're digging any new garden beds, fall is a great time to do so. Digging in the cool weather may be easier than in the spring, and it helps you get a jump on next year. Many cooperative extension services will test your soil and provide recommendations for soil amendments that will help your plants thrive. Taking care of that in the fall will ensure that your plants will have the best possible growing conditions come spring. You'll find more helpful advice at the links below. And for more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.